Hi Vikas.
Hi, sir.
Okay, Vikas, tell me about yourself.
Uh, Thank you for asking, sir. My name is Vikas Nishikant Paitane. I have
Mhm.
recently completed my bachelor degree in Bachelor of Computer Application in Science 2024, where
Okay,
I built a strong foundation in programming, particularly in Java.
okay,
Currently, I'm fresh Java developer, and I'm continuously learning advanced skills like string security, microservices. Come on my personal note, I came of family of five, including
Mhm.
my parents, my elder brother, my younger brother,
Okay.
and in free time, I enjoying play cricket,
Mhm.
learning new skills. They are help me stay motivated and balanced. Yes, sir, that's all
Okay,
about me.
okay, great. So, what is your project name, Vikas?
Sir, I have created a loss of management system
Okay,
where I use for front end Swagger UI in Spring Boot,
okay,
and back end I use Java SQL
Mhm.
where the product customer and customer entries, product entries,
Okay,
where we can save.
okay. So, this is your last year project.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, basically, it is developed in Java, right?
Yeah. Right.
Okay, okay, okay. Let's come to the Java part. Okay.
Yes.
So, tell me what are the OOPS pillars we have in Java?
In Java, there are four types of OOPS pillars: inheritance, polymorphism, encapsulation, abstraction,
Mhm.
polymorphism.
Okay, okay. So tell me, what is mean by inheritance?
Inheritance is the ability to create one class from another class. Inheritance provides us features like reusability, means we can use the existing properties and functionalities from one class to another class. Then inheritance provides us features like specialization,
Okay,
means a subclass is a specialized class. It has its own specific properties as well as superclass properties. Then inheritance provides extensibility, means we
okay,
can plug any new type without affecting the existing properties and functionalities.
okay.
Yes.
So have you used this inheritance in your project? So
Yes, sir. Yes.
in which mechanism or where you have used?
Where we need to add the number of products
Okay.
for product value, sorry, price,
Mhm.
quantity. That, for that fields, I use any returns, so we can provide the different implementations based on that attributes.
Okay, okay, great. So which type of inheritance you have used like in your project? Like have you used the multiple or multi-level inheritance in your project as well?
Yes, sir. I use multiple inheritance.
Okay. So tell me what is mean by multiple inheritance?
Multiple inheritance, sir. When we create a, for example, when we create a class A and class B,
Okay.
and both class contain the same method, like method show. When you create a class third C, and when we extend that class A and B, and when you create instance of class C, so compiler get confused. So the multiple inheritance is not achieved. We can achieve the multiple inheritance using interfaces.
Okay. So you mean to say more than one base class will not allowed in the
Yes, sir.
Java,
Yes.
right? So what exactly the issue? Like if I have class A, class B, right?
Yes, sir.
And if I wanted to inherit that A class and B class into the C,
C class.
okay. So what will happen if I create object of C class? Then what will happen? Why compiler get confused? So do you know the reason why it is?
Sir, means they confused to which method will call first.
Okay, okay. So you mean to say which methods like so we can call the methods by using the names of that methods, right?
Mm.
For example, in class A we have add method, in class B we have sub method, right? And if I create object of C class, I can able to access the add and sub methods, right?
Yes, sir.
Then what is the confusion? Like,
So, but it's not by default. It's not support in
yes.
Java.
So I'll tell you why it is not supported. So class A and class B are the different class, right? It is
Yes.
a different entity.
Yes.
And when we wanted to inherit that class A and class B into the C, why it is not possible? If I have the same method name in the class A and B
Class.
also,
Yeah.
right? And when I wanted to inherit that class A and B into the C, and when we going to create object of C, so and if I wanted to call the add methods,
of A or
but
B.
that add methods is inside the A and B also,
Right.
right? And if I inherited that class A and B, that means inheritance rules is base class methods we can inherit we can have the base class methods also inside the derived class, right? So that is the confusion
Yes, sir.
exactly. Okay, no issues. So now let's move ahead and tell me what is mean by exception.
Yes, sir. Exception is an event that disturbs the normal flow of program.
Okay, so you have mentioned that so you handle the exceptions and these things. So
Yes.
tell me one thing, what is the difference between error and exception?
Yes, sir. Exception is an event that disturbs the normal flow of program. An error it's indicate a serious problem, which is mainly occur due to the lack of system resources, and it cannot be handled.
Okay,
Yes.
any other differences mm, any other
And
differences?
exception we can achieve by using the try catch block. We can handle.
Okay, and error can be handled that errors like
No, sir. It's a
system
system
errors.
errors.
Okay, so if I wanted to manage that errors, what we can do?
Yeah, we can use the try catch block.
Okay, to
Yes, sir.
handle the
Yes,
exception,
sir.
handle the errors, right? So tell me, what is the use of catch block?
The catch block, when we try block throw the error, it will catch, and it will means it's provide a catch block provider define a block of a code to be tested for error to be execute a code when try block occurs the errors.
Okay, so can we have multiple catch block inside the try?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so what is the use of multiple catch block in try?
We can means if you we are not sure about the what kind of exception will occur, so
Hmm.
we can use the multiple catch blocks.
Okay, okay. So tell me one thing, just write one program to show the number is palindrome number or not. Okay,
Yes, sir.
just write it. Take this. Sure. Okay. So tell me what is mean by palindrome number?
So when we change the place of the number of digits, and it still remains same, it is known as palindrome number.
Okay. Okay. Fine. So okay, good. So let's move ahead and let's move to the database part.
Yes, sir.
So have you worked on database as well? Like,
Yes, sir.
do you have knowledge about
Yes,
database?
yes.
Okay. So which database you have used?
Yes, good, sir.
SQL
Yes.
database. Okay. So tell me one thing. What is meant by database exactly?
Sir, database it is used to it is organized of collections of data.
Okay.
Yes, it contains the tables, and table contain the rows and columns to store the data.
Okay. So we can store the data in the rows and columns only, or do we have any
Yes, sir.
other?
there are no SQL databases, so we can they store the data in the format of PDF and other formats.
Okay,
Yes.
okay, great. So tell me, what is the difference between truncate and delete?
Yes, the delete command used to delete a specific row one
Mhm.
by one, where truncate used to delete all rows simultaneously together without deleting the structure of database table. Sorry.
Okay. So do you know the joins in SQL?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can you just tell me what are the joins we have?
Yes, sir. Right joins, left join,
Mhm.
full outer join, then cross joins, then self join is there.
Okay.
Yes.
What is difference between inner join and outer join?
So when we combine the both tables,
Mhm.
inner join return only the common matching records,
Okay.
and so second one
Outer join.
outer join.
So
Yes,
we
sir.
have three subtypes inside the outer join, right? Left, right,
Yeah, okay.
and full.
Like, in left outer join, return the all records from the left table, and matching record from the right table, and return the zero when we no match found in the right table.
Okay.
In right outer join, return the records from the right table, matching records from the left table, and return the zero when return zero in left side table when the records are not found.
The records are not found. Okay. Okay. So do you know the self join?
Yes, sir. Self join, it's come by itself.
Okay. So do you know what in which scenarios we can go with the self join? So do you have any examples?
I am not used for
Okay.
that.
Okay. Fine. So just write down one query. Okay. Uh, so what I want the maximum salary, max salary from the table, max salary from the salary table. Okay.
Yes.
Just write it down.
Yes, sir. Done.
Okay. Okay. So max salary, we can use the max function, right?
Yes.
So can you just write one small query like if I wanted to second highest salary? So it is a max salary. Yes, we can achieve by using the max function. But if I wanted to achieve the second highest salary, like what logic you can write here? Just write second highest salary also. Use subquery there. We need to use the query inside query.
Next. Next.
Done.
Yes.
No, this second highest salary logic is not correct. Okay. Okay, fine, Vikas. I'm done from my side. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So let me tell you the feedback. Okay. So first thing, in database side, you need to work more. You need to learn more about the database. So you are not sure about the rollback as well. Okay, in delete and truncate. So that is one thing, and you are not able to write the max second highest salary. Okay, so you
Yeah.
have written the max salary, and you have written the palindrome program as well.
Right.
And second suggestion is, okay,
Yes.
so in terms of speed, you need to work on the speed as well. Okay, might be interviewer will not understand due to the speed as well.
Yes.
Okay, so that is one. Okay, rest of the things are good. Okay, thank you, Gus. Thanks.
Thank you, sir.